Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through setting up a proxy on BlueStacks within Windows. Enjoy seamless connectivity as BlueStacks emulates the Android operating system, allowing Android apps and games to run on Windows devices, along with complete anonymity. Let's get started. Begin by opening the search bar on Windows. Type in proxy and proceed to proxy settings. Under manual proxy setup, switch on the slider and fill in the IP and HTTP port details. For a free proxy, you won't need a username or password. However, a private proxy will prompt you to enter these credentials. Input them and your proxy connection will be established. Alternatively, you can use the Proxy-Seller application for configuration. Here's how. Open Proxy-Seller and choose Proxy Servers. In the opened window, click Add and pick your preferred protocol from options like HTTPS, SOCKS 4, and SOCKS 5. Next, input the proxy's IP address and port. A free proxy doesn't require a username or password, but for a private proxy, you'll need to enable authentication and provide the credentials. Test your proxy's functionality by selecting Check. Once you verify it's operational, click OK to save your settings. To activate the proxy, navigate to Proxification Rules. For device-wide proxy usage, alter the localhost rule from direct to your new proxy. Then save your changes. To use a proxy specifically for BlueStacks, follow these steps. Within Proxification Rules, click on Add, name your new rule, and specify the application manually or by selection for proxy use, which for BlueStacks is hdplayer.exe. Under Action, choose the proxy you previously added. Save these settings and restart BlueStacks. With that, your proxy setup is complete, and you're ready for secure operations. A quick reminder, working with free proxies may not guarantee safety and anonymity, potentially leading to blocking. For maximum online anonymity and security, we recommend considering the purchase of a private proxy. Our company, Proxy-Seller, offers 100% online anonymity, performance guarantees for your chosen use case, and 24/7 customer support. Check the video description for a 10% discount coupon code and a link to our website. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell, and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.